we're going to be making homemade caramel sauce with candy apples, rocky road, and sprinkle thyme.
And how to make your own brown sugar.
And how to make your own brown sugar. Stay tuned. Okay, the first step is with making our candy apples, since we're making like all different kinds of them. So we're gonna make a rocky road and a sprinkle one. So first, you're gonna want to listen to my homemade caramel sauce recipes. So bring brown sugar, butter, and milk to a gentle boil and cook until thickening. It's like thick, too thick. For 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Add vanilla extract. Dip apples or pour ice cream and ice cream over the apples and enjoy. So first we're gonna want to start with brown sugar. So I'm gonna be 1 cup of brown sugar. So the first step of making brown sugar is there's crazy viruses around, so we have to stay home, and if you don't have brown sugar, you can just make it with the stuff you have. So we have some brown sugar left, and I don't think that's enough for 2 cups. I mean, one cup. So you're going to want to take some regular white sugar, and put some molasses in and mix it all together so it turns into light brown sugar. So we're gonna use the sugar that we got right now, so Mom's gonna get a dollar shot. Wow. Something's happening to the white sugar. You see that? That is a lot of brown sugar, not that much white sugar. So Mama forgot to record. That's why there's already the milk in. This is going to be 1/4 cup of milk. They just said cup of milk. And 1/2 cup of butter. And bring it over to the stove at a gentle boil and cook until it's thick for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, once it's all thickened, you're going to want to take it off the stove and put your vanilla extract in. So one teaspoon. That'll be 2 of these halves because I don't have 1 teaspoon. That's the dangerous one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, for a rocky road dip, we're going to want to have some dark chocolate, cut marshmallows, and some white chocolate chips. Then we're going to have some toasted pecans. Put it in. A little dip, and we're going to want to mix it all together. Now that we have all our caramel done, we're going to take an apple, take a chopstick or any stick you like, but it has to be 1 in the holder. So you're going to stick it in here, like that. Now you're going to dip in the caramel. Let it all drip, you know, to get on good. Oh, it's so sticky. Now I'm gonna wanna put in our Rocky Road dip. Roll it around. Now we're gonna go ahead and, now we're gonna go and set it on the pan. Okay, now we're gonna do our sprinkle on. So we're first gonna start with this color. There we go. Heart for love. Thank you for watching. Bye. That's good.